So I'm making chili for my cooking merit badge. So I just made a log cabin. So I'm gonna let it burn until it's just down to embers so we can cook the chili on top. So right now we made a tripod and we put a chain onto it so it can hold the Dutch oven. So now we're browning the meat for the chili. Browning the meat means you have to cook the meat. So I was just checking it to make sure all the meat was cooked or browned. You can't see any red or pink parts. That means it's raw. You just have to see brown cooked parts. Since we're using a Dutch oven to cook the chili, we have to cook it at about 300 degrees. So how I know how to make sure it's 300 degrees, I have to put my hand over the fire for 7 seconds and not have a problem. It's not too hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that'll be 300. That'll be about 300 degrees. Put it a little lower. 1. It burns. It kind of burns. We put the tripod in the Dutch oven right where it will be about 300 degrees. So now we're just gonna wait for 6 hours to let the chili cook.
Good.
I put on my uniform because this is Class A chili.